going to get to breaking down the FNX45 Tactical here. Hey guys, I'm Adam with Workman Firearms. Today we're going to be going over the disassembly and reassembly of FN's FNX45 Tactical. So let's get back to the bench and get it broken apart. Alright, so I'm going to get to breaking down the FNX45 Tactical here. We're going to start with removing the source of ammunition and clearing the firearm. So we're going to drop the mag, lock the slide to the rear. We're going to visually and physically inspect, see that it's clear. Do the same with the mag well. It's clear, just double check here. The firearm is clear. From there, we are going to lock the slide back to the rear. Going to flip this takedown lever down to the 6 o'clock position, and then once we do that, we will release the slide lock, and the slide will pull directly off of the frame here. And then the frame is broken down as we need it to be. So from here, we can clean, lube, and make sure everything within the slide is good to go. But for now, we're going to set it off to the side. From here, I do have the thread protector on the barrel, so we want to unscrew the thread protector. And I'm going to set that off in a little parts bin here so we don't lose it. Then we're going to decompress the recoil spring to pop it out. Also put that in our parts bin here. And then you're going to take the barrel, pull it up, and push it forward, and then out. To get it out of the slide there. And now the slide is broken down as we need it to be. We can clean in everything, lube all the moving parts, and then from there we'll get everything back together. So we're going to start with the barrel. Going to put the slide upside down here. You want the flat part of the barrel to be facing the counter. We're going to slide it into the slide and push it back, and it'll sit right in there. And then we're going to take our recoil spring, and we're going to push it into the front of the slide and compress it so it sits right on the little lip within the barrel there. And then from there we can put our thread protector back on if we want to, just so we don't lose it. Keep it with the gun here. And then we're going to start at the front of the slide here, continue sliding all the way back onto the rails, and then go past, and then you want to lock that slide back. And then from there we're going to take that takedown lever and we're just going to flip it back up into its original position. It's going to lock right into place, just like that. And then we can release the slide. And now our firearm is back together, and we can do a functions check. So put the firearm on fire, boom, check the reset, check the double action, everything's good to go. Alright, thanks for watching.